shall come and meet. We'll show you how to beat. Cause the time has come for thee. Be a part of Mahamandi.
सारे जमाने को हम बेचना सिखाए, सीखे हुए फंडों को क्यों ना आजमाए। खुद भी हम गाए, दूसरों से भी गवाए। सोचो सोचो बेचो, बेचो बेचो सीखो, सीखो सीखो सोचो। Socio, socio, pecho, 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 sigo, 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 socio. Socio, socio, pecho, 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 sigo, 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 socio. Socio, socio, pecho, 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 sigo, 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 socio.
A very warm morning to all the budding managers. I am Roshan.
And I'm Ketki.
We are your host for the day.
It's exciting to see you all pumped up for Mahamandi 2015.
Are you geared up to rock the streets of Mumbai?
बेचने के लिए तैयार? बेचने के लिए तैयार? Okay. Respected dignitaries, once again a very good morning to all of you. We extend our warm welcome to Professor Ashok K. Pundir, Dean of Student Affairs and Placements, Professor S.M. Dhume, Marketing Faculty at NITI, and finally the man behind Mahamandi, Professor T. Prasad, aka Professor Mandi. We also welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Mishra, who is the Chief of Head of Supply Chain and Management in PNG India. We request our MIG coordinators to please present the bouquets. Okay.
Our next guest of honor, Mr. Ankur Bhagat, Head Country Logistics and Physical Distribution at PNG. A round of applause for everyone, please, guys. Our guest of honor, Mr. Shashi Chimala, Executive Vice President at Vadvani Foundation.
That's Ankur Bhagat.
Our special guest, Mr. Mandeep Manocha, Co-founder and CEO at Reglobe. Round of applause for guys. And our celebrity guest, the beautiful and gorgeous Vanya Mishra, actor and model winner of Femina Miss India 2012. It gives us great pleasure to welcome you all at Mahamandi 2015 at NITI.
National Institute of Industrial Engineering was established in the year 1963 under the aegis of the UNDP and ILO. It is now one of the top premier institutes of management. Recently, our revered institute completed its golden jubilee. Mahamandi is now in its 11th year. The trajectory over these 11 years has been very encouraging. It was back in the summer of 2004 that 150 students stepped out of the campus with chant in their hearts and marketing in their minds. They left with an assortment of products and came back with 20,000 rupees. After that, Mahamandi has grown in leaps and bounds. Last year, the participation was 900 students from NITI and outside NITI. Last year, 900 students went and they said the cash register is ringing. The cost was a lot more.
Really so? Where does all this cash go?
That is the best part about all of this. All of the cash goes back to the NGOs from where we source our Mandi products.
Wow, what an excellent idea. Learning and contributing to the society both at the same time. Yes, true. In the right time, in the right light, everything is extraordinary. I request the dignitaries to please come on stage and light the lamp. We now request the MIG coordinators to present the bouquets to our guests. Mr. Sanjay Mishra, Miss Vanya Mishra, Mr. Sashi Chimala, Mr. Mandeep Manocha, and our Professor Ashok K. Pundit, Dean Student Affairs and Placements. Last one, Professor T. Prasad and Professor S.M. Dhume.
Mahamandi 2015 is a unique amalgamation of fun and responsibility where students make a day out of it and they also make a difference in underprivileged children's lives. Mahamandi is an experience which is designed to collaborate between theory and practice, knowledge and experience. So to kickstart the experience, I call upon Professor Ashok K. Pundir, Dean of Student Affairs and Placements, to please address the crowd and share his insights.
Good morning. I thought it's a Dr. Prasad who is going to set the stage to fire, more or less, and fire the imagination of all the students over here. But I don't know. Maybe he decided let the boring part be over in the beginning. Any sermons and all, let it be over in the evening. Then later on we'll take off. Well, distinguished guests, I was so pleased to meet all of them, and mix of company senior executives. My good friend, Mr. Sanjay Mishra. We have been knowing each other for I don't know how many years by now, maybe at least as old as Mandi is there, maybe more than that, I think, So our friendship goes beyond Mandi, so not that. Miss Vanya Mishra, I think, I'm told I was overhearing, I'm not really very sure of. If I make a mistake, you can pardon me. She is also an engineer, am I correct? Oh, this one I overhear. Dr. Prasad, when he was walking, and I says, then he was talking, glamour and engineer do not go together. I think you are not right. Yeah, you are not right. And we have a lot of brilliant students, we have brilliant engineers, and they have been doing great in all walks of life. Today, look at even RBI governor is great enthusiast who runs a marathon and all. I think people say he's one of those smartest and handsome governor of any bank anywhere. I don't know what is right or what is not correct. We again, our own alumnus who is heading the Vadhwani Foundation here in India, and we were very happy that at least we have one Nitian who is going to spearhead the movement of entrepreneurship in this country, Ms. Shashi. We have with us Mandeep Manocha. I think, how many have seen him other day on the TV, the last Saturday? How many have seen Mr. Mandeep Manocha, our own alumnus, who was Interglobe, that's a company he owns for it, and the competition more what is won, I don't want to take fees out of him because he is going to tell you better. But more I was watching, more I was feeling very proud and elated sitting in my home. Thanks to Dr. Prasad, he communicated to me, and I also saw it. There's a mail, he said, there's a program on TV, why don't you have a look at it? Shankur Bhagat, then Spadnecker, sorry, just missing your name, but then it's fine. Huh? Mank, right? Mank, right. And Dr. Prasad, I think all of you are familiar. In fact, they know before they come to NITI. Sometime in interview also, when I say, okay, do you know anyone in NITI? They will say Dr. Mandi and Dr. Prasad. So we also get a surprise. Okay? His reach has gone to, I think, all across the length and breadth of his country. Dr. Dhume, who, in fact, both of them, Dr. Prasad and Dr. Dhume, has been piloting this particular activity for last so many years. And it's been done successfully. But I think this is the one program where students look forward to from the day they join here. Whenever do their orientation also, they look for where is the Mandi. Why these people are not talking about this Mandi program. And this year on a special suggestion, then we introduced Dr. Prasad also in the very first week. He comes and interact with every student of this batch and try to explain this particular concept. And what I find that they take interest in the studies. Some it is not like this, but then Mandi remain always in the back of the mind when it is going to happen, when they are going to organize. Because event is by and large being organized by the first year student. They are the one who will be going out in the market. Nearly 400 plus they will be going out. So when you look at this particular concept, what we're telling you around 2004, somewhere in August only, I think it started. Exact date I don't remember. And it was on the road between the two hostels. That's what you call, students call it PPO road. And there on the buses and all, and students were given, some sort of a flag was shown so they can go. Then director was there, and some of us were also there. We never realized that this concept can really take off in a big way. That was a one trial, and Dr. Prasad is the one who always look for something different, something better, something, I say it's more of a disruptive type of education he wants to provide, where students can learn from every place here and there and try to remember those things. Over there, it's picked up very well, and not only it has caught the imagination of our own student, but even all the business schools in city of Bombay, a lot of engineering colleges, and across the country. Other day I was going somewhere, beyond Ranchi, after traveling for another 3-4 hours. I don't know which engineering college has gone. But this what the amount of effort he's putting in, and going around across the country. Other day I was meeting one of the professor in Pune University, he's a professor of management, and he said, do you know Professor Mandi? I said, yeah, I know about it, because now it's become so famous everywhere. And this is how the work what is good part of it, the work what is has been pushing very hard, the work which has been trying to make relevance to the students and the country by and large. He's getting recognized by his work, and that's a great achievement. When a person is being talked about his work, that really makes a difference. And it is all the way he put it across, the way he has tried to convince all of you, and you have owned up this event. Why is success of this event I see is because students community by and large has owned it up. Not only here, but elsewhere also. In fact, he made it one of the company also, when they asked them to trend, he made them also to go around with a bag and say, you go and sell these goods in the market, then you will know how does the learning comes. I think this is the one thing what you see, first time I think majority of you, I don't think any time you have gone out in the market and sold any product. All the time it's the money given by the parents, you only know how to spend it. I know any time you try to sell one particular good and make money out of it, majority of you, I'm sure 99% student will have the experience for the first time when you go into the market and trying to sell a particular product. There you will face rejections, Anybody will say, no, I don't have time, oh, don't come here, why are you bothering me? People in a hurry. Then you will understand all those behaviors. First time you'll see so a lot of rejection you will face in your faith. You will say, I'm so much studied, I'm so smart, but these guys are not listening to me. But that's how the market is. This is how you learn those behaviors today. And again, challenge is by evening, I think, to sell all your goods. Or you're not supposed to buy on your own. Don't come and deposit your own money and say everything is sold. And that's the debriefing what has happened after this about it. This is how you learn in this life. And I'm sure this particular experience will always hold you in a good stead, and that will going to help you in your life later. These are the moments you'll always cherish and you'll always share with others. once again, I request all of you give a big hand to my friend Dr. Prasad, who pilots this event in a big way, and it's majorly because of him, and I say the ownership by the student which has kept this particular event to go up and up in the scale about it. And this is what I must say, he has made it a great success about it. Once again, I wish all the best to this particular batch of students who will go out in the market, as well as students from other institutes. They will be going today, I think combination of another 5-6 schools, they will be all there in the market. I don't know how we'll find so many customers, but anyway, it's not raining thankfully today. Sometime Monday happens in a heavy rains. We have seen, so much of rain, students have to go out and still they're able to. Once again, I welcome all the guests over here, all the friends rather. I won't say the guests, majority of them are our friends, our alumni, and once again I welcome you all. Your very presence here somewhere motivates us also. Okay, probably we are in the right directions and we are stand to be corrected. In case you want to make further suggestions, we'd like to take it that way. It's forward about it. Please keep us supporting us. And once again, I welcome you all about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us about the Institute's League of Alumni and the Mahamandi experience. We now request Professor S.M. Dhume, Marketing Faculty at NITI, to come up and shed some light. Okay. We now request also T. Prasad sir to come along.
So now we know who Professor Mandi is, the man who believes in complementing practical education gained from the classes with practical experience gained outside. The man who believes in Aaj ki roti, aaj hi kamao. The man who believes in on-the-job training. So Professor Mandi, everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah. Think you would like to? Yeah. रेडी है? बस. मेरा टाइम है 2 मिनट है. हमारा स्टूडेंट्स ने बोला कि सर हम जाना है बेचने के लिए. और क्या अच्छी चीज़ होता है? बच्चे बोलते हैं हम जाने के लिए बेचने के लिए जाना है, आप लेक्चर थोड़ा कम करो बोल के बोला था. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी वांट इन एजुकेशन. लेक्चर कम करो, बेचना ज़्यादा करो. दिस इज द स्लोगन फॉर द कंट्री विच वी रिक्वायर टू हैव इट. इफ यू वांट टू मेक स्किल इंडिया, ये कैसा हो जाएगा? हुनर होने से आपको कतर है. क्या बोलते हैं? हुनर तो कतर है. मिश्रा साहब, आपका हिंदी तो एकदम प्योर हिंदी है. हमारा इतना हम तो साउथ इंडियन है, ऐसे रहता है हमारा. हुनर हो तो कतर है. यस, इफ यू हैव अ स्किल, यू हैव ए कॉन्फिडेंस. वी नीड एजुकेशन विच कैन equip people with skills. और स्किल क्या है कि पैसे बनाना कैसे मालूम होना है. पैसे नहीं बना पाएगा, इसके स्किल की क्या जरूरी. And we have 3 crore graduate students in this country. Every day go to college and come back, all of you basically. So before the Prime Minister of India, the challenge is how do you convert these 3 crore bande ko skill कैसे बनाएंगे. We have 10 to 12, 15 crore again plus 2, 10 students who have got a skill. It has to be mature, it has to be brush करना है, उसको थोड़ा और आगे लेके जाना है. ये बहुत आसान की चीज़ है, ये कठिन नहीं है. ये तो how come a student who is educated, who can speak English, Hindi kind of thing, how come he cannot be a skilled person like that? He is. इंडिया बोलो तो इनोवेशन है. इंडिया का मतलब है इनोवेशन है. इंडिया का मतलब है इंटेलिजेंस है. इतनी इंटेलिजेंस और कोई भी जगह दुनिया में नहीं है. कहीं भी जाओ आप बोलोगे इंडिया बोलो तो चीज़ है. सो हम ये सोचा 10 साल पहले सोचा कि ये हम मेथड है, एक कैसे बनाता है. ये तो इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है. इधर काली क्या बोलता है, क्यों करना है ऐसा, ऐसे ही हो क्यों करना है पूछता है. पहले हमारा प्रोफेसर है नारायण राव है, हमारा शशि का फ्रेंड है. ऐसा ही क्यों करना है बोल के पूछता है. वी क्वेश्चन एवरी मेथड. ऐसा ही क्यों करना है? वो तो सही है, इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग का नाम है, उसका काम है कि ऐसा ही क्यों जाना है. सो वी सोचा कि वी थॉट, वी एंटरटेन, वी एक्सपेरिमेंटेड ऑन हाउ डिफरेंटली इट कैन बी डन. सो द स्लोगन इज वेरी सिंपल. सोचो सोचो बेचो, बेचो बेचो सीखो, सीखो सीखो. आप स्लोगन देते क्या एक बार मेरे साथ? सोचो सोचो सीखो. नहीं, सोचो सोचो बेचो है. ये सोचो सोचो सीखो ये पूरा कॉलेज में पढ़ाता है ऐसा. इसके साथ साथ बेचना जरूरी है. सोचो सोचो बेचो, सोचो सोचो बेचो. क्या बेचना है? You know this gentleman? You are aware of skeleton? How many bones will be there? And if you tell outside क्यों बोलो तो 206 आपको पैसा मिलेगा. And how he should sit? No, देखो इसका सीटिंग पोस्चर देखो कैसा है. स्टैंडिंग पोस्चर देखो. Actually most of us won't sit in this posture. इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग एर्गोनॉमिक्स का है पूरा. ये तो इंस्टीट्यूट है पूरा कैसा बैठना की चीज़ है. एंड आई आस्क दिस कंपनी क्या कि कितना स्केलेटन आप बेचता है. बोलता है कि 10 स्केलेटन बेचता है पर साल भर पे. एंड आई चैलेंज, इफ यू गो टू हिरनंदन एंड आस्क फॉर दिस, यू डोंट गेट दिस स्केलेटन. As if we don't have a skeleton. As if we don't have a skeleton. This is. So it's very simple. So we can make it like that. And we have to. Why not? And हम इससे क्या सीख सकते हैं? जूलॉजी सीख सकते हैं. नो जूलॉजी नहीं. हम पढ़ाते हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ाते हैं. डिज़ाइन क्यों ऐसी है? So it's very easy to do that. सोचो सोचो बेचो. क्यों आदमी पूरा लग गया तो सोच पे लग गया. बेच में बाप बोला भूल गया. ये मिश्रा साहब के लिए माइक बना के लाया था. तो क्या दिख रहा है आपको? भारत दिख रहा है. बोलो बोलो भारत. भारत माता की. भारत माता की. सीधा अच्छे है ना? कुछ बुरा चीज़ नहीं है ना? देखो हम इतना अच्छा बना सकते हैं भारत को. हम क्या प्रॉब्लम है? 15 अगस्त है अभी तो. आप रोड साइड बेगर्स बाय दे शुड सेल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. नामुश की चीज है कि एक बेगर विल सेल फ्लैग्स इन दिस कंट्री. एक स्टूडेंट बेचता है, उसको रेस्पेक्ट मिलता है कि बेटा तो अच्छा काम कर रहे बोल के. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई दे आर नॉट एजुकेटेड. एंड यही बेच के हम सीख सकते हैं. सोचो बेचो सीखो. हम रामदेव है ना था, बीच बीच में कपाल भारती करते रहो बोल के बोलता है. हम यही बोल के बोलते हैं, बेचो बेचो बोल के बोलता है. सो दिस फॉर मिश्रा जी. आई विल नॉट टेक मोर टाइम, ए मिनट आई विल जस्ट क्लोज इट. सर मिश्रा जी, दिस इज फॉर 15 अगस्त. इंडिपेंडेंस बनना है. हम ये स्वतंत्रता मास है तो एजुकेशन शुड बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट. एजुकेशन शुड बिकम इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ सो कॉल्ड. समझाना नहीं है, समझना का इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है. समझाना आया बोले तो समझाने वाला खुरा कुछ गलत करने की चीज़ होता है. समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है. नॉट समबडी ट्रीटिंग अस, वी शुड ट्रीट आवरसेल्व्स. दैट्स क्वाइट पॉसिबल फॉर अस. सभी मिश्रा जी को तो मैं इनाम सर प्राइज एक्सेप्ट कर. यू विल एक्सेप्ट दिस सर? यस.